transfer money from Rapid Card to bank account is pretty easy. Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video we are going through a step-by-step guide how to transfer money from your Rapid Card to bank account. First, you have to log into your Rapid account. You can just install the Rapid app from your Google Play Store or App Store. Then open the app and enter the credentials of your accounts and click on login. Then you will be presented by the Rapid dashboard. Then at the bottom of your screen you will find an option named Pay and Transfer. Just click on it. Then you will find a option that is Make a Transfer. You can just click on it to transfer money to your bank account. For this you have to choose your bank if it's available on Rapid search page. If not, then you can just simply click on the search tab and you can search for the bank you want to transfer and see if the bank is available to transfer money from Rapid Card. If it is, then simply click on it, then enter your account number, then the routing number of your bank. Sometimes it might ask for the address of your bank and some personal information about you and related to your account. Then you will go through a verification process, and after that you will go through a confirmation process. After successfully transferring the money from your Rapid Card to your bank, you will get confirmation message from those both platform, from this app and also from the bank, at your phone number or email. If you facing any type of problem for transferring the money to your bank account, you can just simply go to the help center of Rapid app. Then you can just contact with a representative and talk with them about the problem you are facing. They might solve the problem. That's all. Hope you like this video. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.